This week, we began the phase restart of JLR's manufacturing operations at the Electric Propulsion Manufacturing Centre, EPMC. JLR colleagues also began to our stamping operations in Castle Bromwich and Halewood and our Solihull and Nitra production facilities. Thank you to all of our colleagues in manufacturing and across the business who have been working around the clock to make this happen. We, of course, couldn't have navigated this incident without the patience and understanding of our clients, partners, suppliers, and the wider JLR ecosystem who stand by us. So a heartfelt thank you to you all.
Je to úžasný pocit, na toto sme dlho čakali a som rada, že sa to úspešne vypehlo.
It's great to be back at Solihull, it's great to be doing something useful, it's great to be producing some of our great cars.
So proud to be part of the team that's been able to rebuild, pull together and get back to normal where we are today.